we're going to present about our managerial accounting project proposal for this semester. So my name is Akil Azlan, my teammates Rizwan Nasution, Akil Alias and also Salman. So today we're going to introduce about our project proposal. So as you can see in this table of content, the first part will be the overview, which is a brief overview of the company's profile and product manufactured. The second part will be about the managerial accounting information, where the type of product, accounting system used, and the budget for the product will be explained. And the third part will be financial. So this will be explaining about the financial information, income statement, and balance sheet. And also the last part will be about the analysis. This is going to be, we are going to show the computation and discussion on the company's performance. So moving on, so we're going to start with the introduction. So we're going to explain about the company. So Man to the Top Corporation was established on the 1st January 2021 and engaged in the manufacture and wholesale of t-shirts with custom design. Some reason that why we selected this business are the clothing industries operate under free import quotas. Moreover, garment business is one of the most profitable business in the world. After food, garments and wearable are an essential part of life where people spend a lot of money. So moving on, this is the director's profile. As you can see in the director's profile, this is Muhammad Akil Azlan Tarma. This is the executive director, issue 22. Date appointed as a director is the 1st January 2021, where we started the company. As you can see, all the directors' profile, Muhammad Rizwan Nasution, Muhammad Akil Alias, and also Salman Muhammad Shamsuddin are all the executive director and also at the same age, which is age 22. And also date of appointed as a director is also 1st January 2021. Moving on.
I will present about managerial part. First, products information. Man to the Top sell and manufactures custom t-shirts based on customer demands and made pure by our skilled workers in producing skill. Of course, the t-shirt will price based on customers' demands and customization, which is will start from 50 ringgit as the best price and will be add on based on the customization. We will also distribute our t-shirts to every single of seller that available to accept our product, which is located within Selangor area and plan to expand it in the future. Accounting system use. We decide to use job order costing method. This is because we offer customized and unique product, which is a custom designed t-shirt. We use job order costing when each unit or customer differ from the next. We use product that satisfy customers' unique needs. Next, budgeted report. There are two parts in the budgeted report. First, budgeted income statement. As you can see, at the quarter first, we get for budgeted sales revenue, which is 625,000 minus budgeted cost of goods sold, 218,438, and we get budgeted gross margin 4,600,563, and we less budgeted selling and administrative expense 212,500, and we get, after we calculate, we get a budgeted net operating income, which is 194,063. Same goes to the quarter 4, quarter 3, and quarter 4. And last yearly, we get budgeted net operating income, which is 16,200. 16,160,200. And last part for managerial accounting, which is budgeted balance sheet. In the assets part, as you can see, they have account receivables, direct material inventory, finished good inventory, and property, plant, and equipment. We calculate the total asset, this is which is 1,645,583, and same goes to the liability. They have account payable, long-term liabilities, and we calculate the total liabilities. We get 636,068. Stockholders' equity, we get 1009515, and we calculate total liabilities and stockholder equity, same the amount for assets.
Okay, now I will present about our company's financial information. First, we have cost of goods manufactured report. This report we start with beginning raw material inventory, which is 0. This is because we just started our business, so there is no beginning raw materials inventory. And then we need to plus with raw materials purchase, less indirect materials, and less ending raw materials inventory. So we get direct material used in production, which is 7,000 ringgit. And next we need to plus direct material used in production with direct labor and manufacturing overhead applied. And we get total current manufacturing cost, which is 19,250 ringgit. Next, total current manufacturing cost, we need to plus with beginning work in process inventory and less ending work in process inventory. So we can get cost of goods manufactured, which is 11,550 ringgit. Okay, next, income statement. So as shown here, our sales revenue is 20,000 ringgit, less with cost of goods sold, which is the cost of goods sold is beginning finished goods inventory plus cost of goods manufactured and less ending finished good inventory. So we get unadjusted cost of goods sold. The amount is 5,775 ringgit. Next, unadjusted cost of goods sold, we need to less over applied manufacturing overhead. So we can get gross profit, which is 14,525 ringgit. Next, gross profit, we need to less with all expense, which is selling expenses, brand development expenses, advertising expenses, administrative expenses, insurance expenses, business card expenses, legal services expenses, and interest expense. So we get net operating income, which is 7,950 ringgit. Okay, this slide show about our company's balance sheet. In our balance sheet, we have assets, which is current assets, and the item of current asset is cash, account receivable control, raw material inventory, finished good inventory, work in process inventory, and prepaid insurance expenses. So the total current assets is 218,025 ringgit. We also have the non-current assets, which is office furniture, machines and equipment, computer, factory building, and accumulated depreciation. So the total assets is 252,775 ringgit. Next, we have liabilities and stockholders' equity. First, current liabilities, account payable plus interest expenses payable. So we get total current liabilities, which is 14,725 ringgit. And we have note payable long term, which is 150,000 ringgit. So total current liabilities plus note payable long term, we get total liabilities 164,725 ringgit. In stockholders equity, we have common stock 100, additional paid in capital 80,000, retained earnings 7,950. So total stockholders equity we get 88,050 ringgit. And last, the total liabilities and stockholders equity we get 252,775 ringgit.
My name is Salman Donald Samsudin. My case number is 9200382. Okay, I would like to continue with break-even computation and GDP graph. Okay, then to the step company break-even point computation GDP graph. Selling price is 15. Fixed cost is 4,000. Variable cost is 7.5. Contribution margin we is selling price minus the variable cost. So we will get contribution margin. Contribution margin is 7.5. Same with contribution margin ratio. Contribution margin ratio with contribution margin divided by selling price. So we will get contribution margin ratio. Contribution margin ratio is 0.5. At the right side, we have table. Unit is from 0 and 700, and the cost remain the same, 4,000. The variable cost, every unit times with variable cost. Total cost, fixed cost plus with total variable cost, and total revenue every unit times with selling price. So we will get total revenue. Okay, we move to cost volume profit graph. Okay, T is meant to debt company cost volume profit graph. Blue line is total cost and orange line is total revenue. When total cost intersect with total revenue, the intersection point is called break-even point. Break-even point is at 533 units, break-even units, and 8,000 ringgit break-even sale. And below break-even point is a loss for meant to the tap company. Upper break-even point is profit for meant to the tap company. Okay, next. Okay, break-even completion and GPP graph. So to calculate break-even units, total fixed cost must divide by unit contribution margin. 4,000 ringgit divide by 7 ringgit 50 cents. So we will get 533 units. So total break-even unit is 533 units. And to find break-even sale, total fixed cost must divide by unit contribution margin ratio. So 4,000 ringgit minus with 50%. So we will get 8,000 ringgit. So total break-even sale is 8,000 ringgit. Okay, we move into analysis report. Based on the result of analysis, we have found that the business is profitable as a phase aspect. This is because we have a total net operating income of 7,950 ringgit in our first month of operating. And we have shown we need a total of 8,000 of break-even cost to cover all the manufacturing costs. And we also already achieved a total 20,000 of sale revenue. We show that we are operating profitability to cover all our costs and continue operating in our business in the future. We decide to improve our marketing and promotion to sell our product so that our customer can recognize our t-shirt as a quality and affordable product. Okay. That is all for our presentation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, madam.